This is a final video to fix OneDrive error code 0x8004def4 on Windows, and I promise it's simpler than anything you've seen. Are you struggling with OneDrive showing this error and not syncing your files? This usually happens because your OneDrive app gets stuck or some system files stop it from connecting properly. Many tutorials online show long steps or complicated settings that confuse most people. But on Rexist, I will show you a secret trick that solves this error in just a few clicks. It works fast, and you don't need any technical skills. If you want to make a full step-by-step guide showing exactly what to do, comment below, and I will post it for you. Don't worry. With this trick, your OneDrive will sync again smoothly without wasting hours trying other fixes.